This video is sponsored by Bityard. With over 400 cryptos to trade on their spot, perpetual coin futures, USDT futures, with leverage of 1x to up to 125x, you can trade foreign exchange, commodities like gold, silver and oil, and traditional markets like Nasdaq, all with some of the lowest fees available on any trading platform. You can use their copy trader to copy other traders with better performance than you, or you can become a copy trader yourself and earn a few extra percent from the people that follow you. Plus you got 9 out of 10 stars from the Coin Bureau guy. Bityard! Hello everybody, welcome back. Let's have a look at ICP. That's right, so we had a nice move yesterday on ICP, hit our target from the video that I put out a couple of days ago saying 7 to 740 is where we'll hit on Tether. It's kind of where we hit more or less. And I got out of my scalpy trade at 320 sats, which is fine. I've still got, I've got about 700 ICP left of that scalp trade. We'll see where that takes me. Excuse me. So we're looking at this on the 12 hourly. There was a signal generated yesterday which is a little bit more interesting. So this isn't just hopium, guys. It's not hopium. I mean, all the things I say are based on the charts, and whether or not they decide to play out is completely up to them. But what we see here is a convergent baseline cross. It's a signal for an uptrend basically. So we got cross above the cloud, price above the cloud, cheeky span above the price. And this should mean a continuation of a trend from this signal. From this signal, which was generated on this candle body over here at 323 sats. So it's a bit high, obviously, to have generated that signal, but it did do it all the same. So we'll take it on face value, and obviously I'm in at lower prices, so I'm particularly bothered about that. But getting in on ICP after it's pumped like this, I would probably say is probably not worthy of doing something like that, because it is such a shit chart, generally speaking, and I wouldn't want anyone to get hurt on something like this. But we were talking about changes of behaviour. At the moment, we do have formed ever so slightly a higher low. Here's your previous, a higher high. Sorry. So I've been out for a run this morning, and it has basically taken everything out of me. I don't ever normally go for runs, but I thought I needed to do it, and I just need to go to bed. But yeah, a higher high is formed on this one. So what we'll be looking for now would be a higher low, and then another higher high, and I'll probably be looking for this to break. Hopefully the next target is effectively 400 sats. So that, incrementally, bit by bit, taking back these areas. There's nothing really on the daily to suggest that it's particularly strong. No buy signals outside of the 12 hourly, which has got the continuation of a trend signal. And the other thing that I can just leave you with here, because there's not much more that we haven't already said. I mean, all the signals have played out to that extent. They've given us that move so far. You've got to be grateful for what you got, and the signals have worked. But this chart only ever knows bullish divergence. 9 months worth of bullish divergence on your weekly chart there. We like to think that this one day will play out. Maybe this is the beginning of that. Maybe, but it only knows bullish divergence. Take it for what it's worth. Anyway, I'm going to leave with you there. There's not a great deal more to say about it. Like I say, the call was made. The call was correct, and now I'm calling for continuation on the 12 hourly chart, and we'll see where it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.